Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. I'm out here in beautiful Lake California today. Have you ever wondered what it's like behind these gates? Because we are having an open house extravaganza this weekend. I think we're up to about a dozen open houses. So this is your chance to get behind the gates. Out here in Lake California, we've got the beautiful lake with boat launch to both the lake and the Sacramento River. Over here, we've got the pool. There's an equestrian center, a tennis court, an airstrip. There are so many amazing benefits of living behind the private secure gates in Lake California. These homes are very affordable. So from Saturday 11 to 2, come check out so many amazing houses. They're in all price ranges. There's some in the 200s, 300s, 400s. You can see some really awesome affordable houses. Beautiful. So many of them have the most incredible views off the back. And some of them even have waterfront views. And come check it out. We'd love to see you. Stay tuned. I'm following this up with a video of my gorgeous affordable listing on Stoney Creek. Are you looking for more than a home? You want a community that offers you a lifestyle. Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. Can you imagine spending your days out here kayaking, paddleboarding, fishing? The amazing planned community of Lake California is right here in Cottonwood. It's tucked behind locked and guarded gates, and it's got boat ramps to the beautiful lake and the Sacramento River. There's tennis courts, a community pool and spa. There's even stables and an airstrip, plus a bar so you can enjoy cocktails right here on the lake. Lake California truly offers you an unparalleled lifestyle. Welcome to your new home on Stoney Creek Place, a quiet little dead-end street right here in Lake California. The first thing that you'll appreciate when you step through the front door are the incredible views from the living room and dining room, vaulted ceilings, and an open floor plan creating such a feeling of space. This living room is huge. You can set it up with multiple sitting areas so you can really spread out. Plus, there's a breakfast bar looking into the kitchen. And when the temperatures drop, you'll love having the beautiful and cozy fireplace. This is a great sized kitchen with lots of storage and counter space, and it's conveniently adjacent to the laundry room with more storage, and I just love being able to look out the dining room slider onto those amazing views. And check out this gorgeous primary suite. It's got plenty of room for your big king size bed, and what a way to wake up, looking out your slider onto the beautiful valley views. And the soaring vaulted ceilings are just icing on the cake. You'll love having a big walk-in closet, and the ensuite bathroom is beautiful. It's got dual sink vanity and a huge soaking tub next to the stall shower. This beautiful Lake California home is nearly 1,700 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. But what really makes this house so special is this incredible covered back deck. It spans the full length of the house with access from the primary suite and the dining room, where you can really enjoy these incredible valley views and the most beautiful sunsets. This home also has a fenced-in side yard, which would be perfect for a little garden area. There's also a newer AC condenser, dual pane windows, and an attached 2-car garage. So if you're dreaming of more than just a house, you want a community that offers you a lifestyle, we'd love to help turn that into a reality for you. Call me, Stacy Baxter, my Magnolia team, at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find a beautiful home with an amazing community and lifestyle to tell it in.